watch this.
Yeah. I'm Elizabeth, obviously, and I'm gonna be watching. What is it called?
One guy, one screwdriver.
One guy, one screwdriver.
Bitches.
Oh, that's not. Seriously, that chick has huge nipples. What?
You are demons. I think the only thing you
Ew, that guy's so hairy. I hate hair so much. That was.
He
Ow!
ended up like dying.
Oh my god, that's like the end part. Oh my god, he's bleeding. Is he retarded? Oh my gosh. Oh. Ew, he's so hairy. I hate hair so much. Oh my god, he's bleeding. Oh my god, he's bleeding so much. What the hell? What is wrong with him? Oh my god, that's so much blood. Oh my gosh. Oh. Why is there, oh my god, why is it in the bathtub? What the heck? Into the sink? Oh my gosh, what the heck is wrong with that guy?
I don't know.
That was fucked up.